Good day, everyone. Today, I will present a case study on Kali Connect, a food business concept designed to offer affordable and healthier Filipino comfort meals. In this study, we highlight the business viability, financial management, and its growth strategies. Distinguishing the rights of business. In choosing the right business, we apply Barringer and Ireland 4 principles for Kali Connect to attract because of its target for targeting young professional seeking affordable, healthy meals, and its timely due to growing health-conscious trend offer after the pandemic. It is double since Filipino comfort food will always remain culturally relevant, and lastly, to its value adding because it provides healthier alternatives compared to any fast food chain. In this in this proves that Kali Connect is not just good idea, but is sustainable business opportunity. Uh, Money management, profit and loss statement for 1 month. Sound money management is crucial by sustainability by preparing a profit and loss statement in the first month. Kali Connect demonstrate financial discipline in early profitable tracking. Tracking revenues and expense ensures that the business can now operate operationally costs while maintain its positive margins. Rising capital, debt versus equity financing. For this topic, Kali Connect has two options, debt or equity financing. Debt financing allows full ownership but comes with repayment risk. Equity financing, on the other hand, provides investors without repayment but dilutes their ownership. Given the strong profit margin, debt financing is recommended in the early stages, while equity may be considered later for expansion. For our key takeaways, we can highlight 4 key lessons. First, aligning passion with market demand, strengthening viability. Second, proper financial planning ensures sustainability. Third, strategic financing decisions determine long-term growth. And lastly, Kali Connect shares how Filipino comfort can be modernized into healthier and scalable offers in the urban settings. Thank you. That's the conclusion of my presentation on Kali Connect. Thank you for your attention and I welcome. Thank you.